Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into NAGANO, a new token launching with a pre-sale on PINKSALE Finance. This meme-coin is built on the Binance Smart Chain and utilizes BNB. So if you're a fan of meme-coins, this might be one to watch. ETs start by answering the question, what is NAGANO? Essentially, it's a new token aiming to capture attention in the meme-coin space. Its purpose revolves around community engagement, potentially incorporating viral trends. While the exact tokenomics are subject to the project specifics, key details will include the total supply and distribution, and potentially if there is a burning mechanism of any kind. Looking ahead, the project's vision focuses on short-term goals, such as community building and marketing efforts to establish a strong online presence. Why might you consider investing in NAGANO? Well, the potential for growth stems from the inherent hype surrounding meme-coins and their ability to cultivate dedicated communities. Early investment during the presale offers the advantage of acquiring tokens at a potentially lower price. Any unique features that separate NAGANO from other meme-coins will be highlighted by the team. But remember, meme-coin investments are highly speculative and come with significant risks. Always be careful. Picking up presales, the NAGANO presale is hosted on PINKSALE Finance. The presale will have specific start and end dates, so make sure you take note of those. It will also feature a hard cap and a soft cap, determining the maximum and minimum amounts to be raised. There will be minimum and maximum contribution amounts per participant, so pay attention to what those are. Finally, the token price during the presale will be clearly defined, with a link to the PINKSALE presale page in the description. Right, here's how to actually buy NAGANO on PINKSALE. First, you'll need a MetaMask or Trust wallet. If you don't have one, download and install one. Next, add the Binance Smart Chain network to your wallet, as NAGANO operates on BSC. Now, you'll need to acquire BNB or Binance Coin, as this is the currency you'll use to purchase the tokens. Then, connect your wallet to PINKSALE Finance and find the NAGANO presale. Be absolutely certain you're using the correct contract address to avoid scams. Finally, contribute your BNB to purchase NAGANO tokens and, if applicable, claim your tokens after the presale concludes. After you have your tokens, it's paramount to secure your NAGANO tokens. Wallet security is of utmost importance in the crypto space. Consider using a hardware wallet for enhanced security, and always use a strong password and securely back up your seed phrase. Be vigilant against phishing scams and fake websites, and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible to add an extra layer of protection. ETs quickly explain the Binance Smart Chain and BNB. BSC is the blockchain network upon which NAGANO is built. You'll need BNB to participate in the presale, which can be acquired from various cryptocurrency exchanges. One of the benefits of using BSC is its lower transaction fees compared to other blockchains. You can also use BSC to verify transactions on the Binance Smart Chain, adding transparency to your interactions. Stay updated and connect with the community. Follow NAGANO's official website and social media channels like Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Joining the community is essential for staying informed about the project's developments. However, always be cautious of fake accounts and misinformation. Verify the authenticity of information before making any decisions. In conclusion, the NAGANO presale presents an early opportunity to get involved with this meme-coin project. But remember, always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency, especially meme-coins. If you're interested, visit the PINKSALE page, found in the video description, to participate in the presale, but proceed with caution and be aware of the risks involved. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.